Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app, and right now we are in the standard photo mode. So we have to switch to the video one. All you have to do is to simply tap on the video, and since it is highlighted in this orangish color, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner. So let's tap on this three bars icon, and let's take a look at those two option bars at the very top. So the first one is the resolution, and here we've got frames per second. So all you have to do in order to change the resolution is to simply tap on the option like to set. We've got 720p, 1080p, and this option is right now applied because it is highlighted in this strange orangish yellowish color. And we've got also 4K and 8K. So all you have to do in order to change it is, as I said, tap on it. So let me pick 8K, and as you can see, right now it is highlighted. What's more, I've got two different frames per second option, which I can attach to this 8K option. So we've got 30 frames per second and 24 frames per second. And the same situation, if you'd like to change it, just tap on the option like to use. The frames per second option will be quite different between the resolution options. As you can see here, we've got the 60 frames per second also available, but 24 is not, we just cannot pick it. Alright, so actually I forgot to say that after tapping on it, and when you can see this highlight, it means that the option has been immediately applied, and you can just go back to the camera and record, in my case, in 4K. So actually this is it. This is how to change the video resolution in your Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.